The Samsung Toploader 7 kg washing machine PCB board is a high-quality electronic control board designed to efficiently manage all washing machine operations. It controls functions such as wash cycles, water level, motor operation, spinning, drainage, and safety systems for smooth and reliable performance. Built with durable electronic components, this PCB ensures stable operation, energy efficiency, and long-lasting durability. It is an ideal replacement solution for damaged or faulty Samsung 7 kg top-load washing machine control boards. To order, dial 894-556-2115 or info@betalieve.com.